Nagtitrade po kayo ng fidget o kaya squishy?
Yes.
I'm gonna trade first.
Okay.
This one. What about you?
Can you add?
Sure. Can I touch it first?
Yes. Can I touch it?
Yes. This one. So, pwede mong iswap to dito. Like this.
Okay.
Tapos magiging red siya.
Pwede ko po pindutin?
Yes. Do you accept?
Yes, I accept.
Ikaw una?
Oh.
Okay.
Tadan! Eto, bola. Pwede mo ito, kapag binato mo, magiging robot siya. Tignan mo. Ay. Ayan.
Wow.
Eto. Tapos mayroon pa siyang ano dito, secret item.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh.
Kapag babalik mo to, igaganya mo. Tapos ito. Tapos yung buntot. Wait lang, tanggal. Unay mo dito. Tapos dito. Yan na.
Wow. Maybe I should trade this one. Eto, pareha silang bilog. Magaganyan-ganyan mo siya.
Oh, pwede ko pa hawakan?
Yes. Do
Accept
you
ko
accept?
po.
Yay! So, I'm gonna trade this dumpling secret.
Can I check this?
No, it's a secret.
Okay, I'm gonna try. And
Wow. Wow. But mine is a secret. Can you please add?
okay, so, last toy. This skeleton avatar from Minecraft.
Ooh, Minecraft. I accept.
Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open this. 3, 2, 1, please. I have luck.